Coucou tout le monde, it's Sarah, and today I'm taking you to Washington, D.C. to celebrate the 4th of July. The footage you see here is from the 2015 National Independence Day Parade. My friends and I decided to check it out before we went over to the Lincoln Memorial to set up camp for fireworks. The fireworks show and the parade draw huge crowds, so we knew we had to get over to the memorial to pick out a good spot before it got too crowded. Unfortunately, during this year, there was a bit of rain, but we were determined to stick it out to see the fireworks show, so we just moved our setup a couple times till we found a dry spot. You'll see in the upcoming time lapse when the rain started because you'll notice a lull in the crowd and umbrellas out everywhere. But don't worry, the crowds definitely came back full force after things dried up. So without further ado, here's a sped up look as crowds gathered in front of the Lincoln Memorial to watch fireworks go off above the Washington Monument in the distance. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I make videos every Wednesday, so if you don't want to miss out on anything, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again, and à la prochaine. See you next time.